Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome to my channel Beyond Headlines Current Affairs by Lakshmi. Our topic today is Indian Electric Vehicle Mobility Index, that is IEMI. So this was launched by Niti Aayog very recently, that is on 5th August 9, 2025. So what is this about? So Electric Mobility Index gives about the data regarding the electric vehicle adaptation in India and what is the gap that is being there and what are the new policies that we require to bring more electric vehicles onto the road and thereby reducing our carbon emissions, thereby trying to attain the UN Sustainable Development goals. So these are all interrelated. So yeah, so let us have a look at it. And this was launched on August 5th, as I told you, when it was launched by Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog is an organization that was established in 2015, January 1st, 2015, on the place of Planning Commission. Planning Commission was established after independence uh, for preparing 5-year plans, and in 2015, this organization was replaced by Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog is National Institute for Transforming India. This was launched on Jan 1st, 2015. And the chairman of this organization is our Prime Minister, and the members are the cabinet ministers, some of them, and leader of the opposition party, and the CMs, chief ministers, and other ministers. So that is about Niti Aayog, a very brief one. And this organization, yeah, because the world belongs to electric vehicles, we are seeing so much transformation from the fossil fuels to renewable energy resources. And this is where electric vehicles come into play. So this index tracks the adoption of electric vehicles, and also it also generates so much revenue. Like we are looking at some $200 billion of opportunity wherein we'll be able to achieve and in the electric vehicle sector. Okay, so and in this index it has given some scoring pattern, and to the score ranges from 0 to 100, and the score is calculated based on 16 parameters according to 3 themes. So the themes are, the first one is transport electrification progress, how the public transport electrification is happening. As you all can see, majority of the states are slowly moving towards electric vehicles in public transport, and how fast that has been happening. So this index tracks that one. And also, just moving on to electric vehicles is not enough. There should be enough charging points. So then only it will become viable, right? So the charging points need infrastructure again. So how is the charging point infrastructure development? That is the second theme. And the third one is research and innovation in electric vehicles sector. And also it tracks the research and development that has been going on in this sector. And the innovation aspect also is being tracked. And as I already told, the score is between 0 and 100, and these are the some of the parameters. Okay, and this leads to a healthy competition among the states themselves, wherein they can compete with each other, and also they can help each other in attaining those targets, EV targets, electric vehicle targets. And when we look at the world scenario in India, we were at somewhere around 1/5 of our vehicle thing was with EVs in 2020, and the goal is to move them to 22% by 2030, so that we can uh, be the part of the EV revolution, we can say. So, and the 2030 is also very important because that is the year where the which is being set as a target for achieving sustainable development goals. So this is also part of that. So it is all interlinked. And moving on, these uh, categories, the scores are as follows. 65 to 99%, they're called as front runners. Only three, I can say one state, one UT, and one city have achieved that. That is Delhi, Maharashtra, and Chandigarh. And the second category is performers. So the score ranges from 50 to 64, and Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Haryana are in this bracket. And the third category is aspirants. So this is from 0 to 49. And in this category, we can find Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Ladakh, and others. So this category needs continuous monitoring and targeted supervision for conversion of the regular fossil fuel vehicles, diesel and petrol vehicles to electric vehicles. And if you look at the automobile industry also, most of them are moving into hybrid. Earlier, the hybrid used to be petrol and diesel. Now the hybrid is either electric and petrol or electric and diesel. So this has to be transformed into a complete EV. Then only the carbon footprints that are the indicators of the pollution and also the causative thing for global warming, all these things, when they get reduced, automatically we are working our way towards the sustainable development goals. So these are all the thing. And since this being the first report, yes, there is a lot more way to go in this aspect. And yes, each state, rather we should compete, at the same time we should cooperate. So then only we can have a better score globally. So this index is like providing a blueprint for us to work on that direction. So that's all for today. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.